back to our channel. Last video we have made a homogeneous mixture, and in this video we are going to make a heterogeneous mixture of chalk powder and water. So let's begin. Now I have taken some chalk powder and a glass of water. Now we will add the chalk powder into the water. I am mixing it well. So we can see that all the particles are not uniformly spread in the water. So we have made a heterogeneous mixture. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.